Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Bluey and Jumbo Josh from the Garten of Banban as one character. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go over how to draw a combination of Bluey and Jumbo Josh from Garten of Banban. So let's do it. We'll go through it step by step. So I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a curve over here. Kind of the side of the head. We're going to take kind of the shape of Jumbo Josh's head over here. Curve around here. Like so. Looks like almost like a giant pill or something like that. Okay. Curve in just a bit. Curve in just a bit. Pulling out. Curve. So we're like really kind of modeling the body type after Jumbo Josh. Because I just think he's got a very distinct body shape, so I think that's probably going to be the best way to go for this. Line over here. So you got one giant arm. Pulling in. Curve up. Curve up over here. And pull up around there. Alright, so we got the center portion of the torso, and again, we're kind of modeling this stuff after Jumbo Josh. What I want you to do is I want you to remember that you just want to be close enough on these mixtures. They're pretty cool, they're pretty chill. Also, I don't want you to forget, there's a second YouTube channel called Quick Pictures to Draw, and I'm going to put the link in the description, so go take a look at it. It is, if you type it in with no spaces, Quick Pictures to Draw, it'll come up. And it's a sister channel. It's the same thing, except there's no narration for people that learn better that way. So go take a look at it, and there's going to be no repeat drawings. Every drawing over there is brand new. I'm not just taking the lessons here and taking the sound out. I think that's lazy. Curve right here, and we're going to mirror that right here. Remember, they get big. It gets bigger as it goes down. That's the way the torso works. So now we're really going to look at this and think of like, okay, what are some things that we could plug in from Bluey? So right here, we're going to go up over here, down for one ear, over here, down for the other ear. And we're going to go right here for the eyebrow on that side and the eyebrow on this side. It's kind of like front of the ear. And we're going to put this repeated triangle shape on the inside like that, right there on that side. Up over here, down, like so. So let's look over here at the face. Line across over here for the top of kind of the Bluey snout. Down over here. Pulling across. Like so. Line, 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 right there. And let's curve down over here, and we're going to find that nose. It's always a triangle. Like so. We're going to fill it in and leave that highlight right there. Right on. Let's go over here to this side. Down over here. So big eye. So I'm kind of making it big and far apart. Bluey's eyes are pretty big as well, but I want to make it more far apart like Jumbo Josh. And so we're going to go on this side right here. Like so. Looks pretty cool already. What would you call this character, by the way? I want to hear, what would you name this character? That's really big. I would love to hear that. If you post in the description, if you post in the comments section, I'm going to pin the one I like the most, okay? So, do it, and, it's an opportunity to get pinned. Going to go right here for one eye, over here for the other. Okay. Let's go over here and find a tail in the back, because that's missing. Like so, to fit it in there. Line right here. Line for some of the change in color in the feet. He's got like this circle kind of in the belly there, Bluey. Curve right here for kind of the pattern that's on his back that you end up seeing from the front of his body. Let's go over here to the color change in the hands. Line right there, line right there. And let's go into the face, which is incredibly important. So line over here, down, out over here. Line over here, down. Curve right here. Line around his mouth. Because Bluey has like that kind of pattern change, that kind of color change in his mouth area. And we're going to kind of look at this more and we're like, okay, what else can we do to this? What other attributes can we pull in? And you kind of, it's that cool thought process of like, what else can we pull in? What else can we pull in? I'm thinking maybe another line right here on the side for, you know, the colors coming in from the side right there. And maybe even like a line right here and a line right here to make it look like paws, even though he himself, like Bluey at least, Bluey will have full-blown fingers, right? But we can throw like a line right here on this side and a line right here on this side in order to do that. And then let's draw a couple of, let's stick it out a couple lines right here in certain areas, you know, because the sun will go from the top to the bottom. So like so. Curve around the corner here. Curve around the corner here. We're putting kind of like darker lines with kind of anything aiming, not anything, but like areas aiming downward, maybe like right here, just to give the drawing a little bit of weight. Normally I'd throw a thick line around the outside of everything, but we don't have to do that, you know? And there we go. I want to thank you for being around. You're awesome, and I want you to kind of stay positive when you're drawing, because when you do that, all your drawings come out better when you're just having fun. When you're having fun, it's so much better than stressing yourself or, you know what I mean, thinking this is hard. This stuff's fun. We're just hanging out. I want you to say what's up in the comments if you haven't. I really want to know what the name of this character would be. I would love to hear that. And I want you to stay around for the next drawing lesson we're going to do together. So let's do it right now, okay? I actually want you to start a lesson with me right now. Just stay here. The video is going to roll into the next one, and then let's do it, okay? Let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.